How much water are you drinking every day? I have a wonderful system so you always know how much water you're drinking. I'm Nora Day. Here is my big secret. I love to drink a lot of water. I want to stay hydrated. I do a lot of yoga. I swim. I run. I do a lot of exercise. And I want to be hydrated. I never know how much water I'm drinking. If I have a glass here, a glass of water there, I don't know how much I'm hydrating. This is my secret. I buy different size canteens for myself. So what I do is I fill it up, and I know if I drank this whole canteen, I drank 40 ounces of water. If I have this canteen, if I'm gone all day, I take this big one, and this is 64 ounces of liquid. If I fill this all with water, I know I've drank 64 ounces of water a day, which is recommended, 8-ounce glasses of water a day. Another thing I do when I'm at home, I put my water in glass mason jars that also have measurements on it. So I know in the day how much I'm drinking. This is a really nice way to keep track of your water intake. If not, you have no idea how much water you're drinking. And if you are thirsty, you're past the level of hydration. You want to stay hydrated. So I hope this little tip helps you. Buy some different size canteens so you have the right amount of water. You can take it with you. These are also nice because they stay cold for many, 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 many hours. They stay hot for many, many, many hours. A lot of us drink warm water with lemon. This will keep with you all day in these canteens. So there's a multi-purpose to all of this. So I hope this helpful little hint will help you stay hydrated throughout your day.